Hey guys, it's Daisy here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a glam Connie the Hormone Monstress makeup tutorial. I'm really upset because this is the last video of Spooktorial season 5. I had a blast this season just creating makeup looks for you guys, and like I said in the previous video, I feel like this season was very like cartoony, which I actually love. Like I love making like glam cartoons or like turning myself into like cartoon characters. I feel like it's very like draggy, like if you know what I mean, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, in today's video we're going to be doing a Hormone Monstress makeup tutorial, so if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. I basically just did them in like a auburn brownie type, not brownie like the food, but like brownish type color, because those are how her eyebrows are. I'm gonna do like some flecks of hair. I'm breaking out so bad, so please just ignore that. But I'm gonna do like flecks of hair after we do the face and all that good stuff, because I don't want to have to try to go around. Like, we're gonna create a brow that looks similar to hers, but I just don't want to do it right now because I don't want to have to like precisely go around when I'm like creating the face color and all that stuff, because I'm lazy. So let's just get started with eyes. So first we're gonna take the yellow from the CC Beauty palette, which is like basically empty, and basically put that on our lid. I always put it like over the bridge of my nose as well, just so if I want to add like eyeshadow there or something, you know, it's already there. I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty sponge. Now we're gonna take the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and we're gonna take that yellow. As you can see, this yellow is very well loved. I love this yellow. We're gonna take that yellow and basically just set the entire eye with that. So now, because Connie, as you can see in this picture, has like brown eyelids, we're just gonna create a brown like eyeshadow look. I don't know if I want to do like a smoky eye. I'll probably do a smoky eye, or if I want to do like a cut crease or anything. But first we're going to take the Zulu palette again by Juvia's Place, and we're going to take the brown. We're going to take that on a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush. I'm basically just going to put that on the outer corner of our eye and blend it into the crease. So we are just going to do a smoky eye, so obviously just going to take that same color on a big flat brush and just put it on the lid. This is like a one eyeshadow look. Okay, and now we're going to do a black wing eyeliner. She just has like liner like on her lash line, but I want to do a wing eyeliner because I feel like it's more glam. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to face. So we're gonna take the Athena painting palette, and we're gonna take this mustardy yellow shade, and we're gonna take it and we're gonna warm it up on the back of our hand, and I'm hoping that'll make it like blend better, because I like this palette but I feel like it doesn't blend that well. But I've seen people like warming it up on the back of their hand and it seems to like blend better, so we're gonna try that. Yeah, I don't know what is wrong with my palette, but the colors are so hard to like blend out. I'm gonna take a foundation brush and just go in to the color like that and hope that gives a better result. Guys, that took so long. Like I don't even want to talk about it. So now we're just gonna take the same yellow that we used to put all over our face from the Athena palette, and we're gonna mix it in with a little bit of brown from the CC Beauty palette, and we're basically just gonna contour with that. Guys, if this looks streaky, like I'm trying my best. I really am. Like I feel like I'm gonna cry. I'm just doing the best that I can with what I have at my disposal. So let's just pretend that it looks great. I'm gonna take this white face paint and I'm basically just gonna highlight my face with it. And now we're going to set our face with the Midnight Translucent Face Powder. Now for under our eye, we're just going to take the same color that we used from that Zulu palette, that brown shade, and just pop that under our eye on a small pencil brush. Take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette and we're going to take the second shade in the first row and we're going to put that in our inner corner. And now for lips, we're basically just going to take like a pink eyeshadow, and we'll do the pink from the CC Beauty palette. Or should I do the curl? We'll mix the pink and a little bit of the brown. So I created this kind of like mauve-y color. I'm gonna put that on our lips with a small pencil brush. Okay, so I just went off camera and I kind of like did some hair strokes kind of on my brows. You see how like I did like that and then like that, so it kind of looks similar to how her brows are. I made these little headpieces out of cardboard. Guys, if you want like a headpiece for a costume and you don't know where to find it, or you're broke, or you're just trying to do it like quickly, use cardboard and paint it and attach a bobby pin to the bottom of it and just stick it in your hair, because this looks good, right? If it doesn't look good, just pretend. So yeah, this is the finished Hormone Monstress makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did down below. Let me know what you're being for Halloween this year in the comments down below. I'm very sad because this is the last video of Spooktorial season 5. Yeah, I'm very upset because like I said, this is the last episode, but I will have more videos coming for you guys like on Wednesday, so don't fret. It won't be Halloween-y type vibes, but it will be Thanksgiving, fall type vibes. And then I'm really excited for Christmas because I have a few Christmassy holiday type videos planned. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be linked down below for your convenience if you want to watch the previous episodes of this season. Those will be linked down below. Previous seasons 1 through 5 will also be linked down below, because if you love spooky videos, if you're looking for a costume for this year, just scroll through my Spooktorial seasons and see if you can find something. Also, if you want to scroll through my page, it'll be the videos with the red borders around it. Those are my Spooktorial videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.